In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all of your passwords from Google Chrome. If you need to wipe the slate clean, this walkthrough will show you how to permanently remove every saved password from your Chrome browser in just a few clicks. Before we start, a quick heads up. This action cannot be undone. If you rely on Chrome to fill in your logins, be sure you truly want everything gone. Also, if you're signed into Chrome and sync is turned on, these changes will sync to your other devices using the same account. Open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Settings. This takes you to the main dashboard where Chrome stores all of your preferences. On the left side, click Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. This is the place where Chrome lets you remove saved information from your profile. By default, you'll land on the Basic tab. For our purpose, switch over to the Advanced tab. The Advanced tab lists every specific type of data Chrome has saved, so you can target exactly what you want to remove without touching anything else that matters to you. Next, change the time range to All Time. This is crucial. All Time ensures Chrome doesn't keep older passwords from months or years ago. Now, carefully uncheck everything except passwords and other sign-in data. Leaving only that box checked guarantees you won't accidentally delete your browsing history, cookies, cached files, downloads, autofill forms, or bookmarks. Take a moment to double-check your selection. It's worth being precise here, so you only remove what you intend. When you're confident the only selected item is passwords and other sign-in data and the time range is set to all time, click Clear Data. Chrome will process the request, and depending on how many passwords were stored and whether you're syncing, it may take a few moments. When it finishes, your password list is completely empty. From here on, when you visit sites you've used before, Chrome will no longer autofill your credentials. You'll sign in manually, and if you choose, you can let Chrome start saving passwords again from scratch. Your history and bookmarks remain intact because we left those unchecked. That's it. Your login data is gone for good. You're all set. Done.